ladies and gentlemen. We're back again at the Amco 7-inch shaper. Today we're going to make a trapezoidal left-hand nut out of Ertalyte this time, also known as Dacron. I was completely ignorant to this material until a wonderful man on the Hobby Machinist named RJ Sikowski. Hope I didn't butcher your name, RJ. But he suggested this material. I've never worked with it before, but I'm real stoked to try it out. It's a plastic Dacron, I guess. It's the stretchy stuff that's in underwear loops, and I think they make leggings and stuff like that with it. It's supposed to be a very durable product from what I understand, and it'll be real neat to work with it. But like I said, we're going to make a left-hand trapezoidal nut for a Chinois lathe. Stand by. I got to reduce this block to 27 millimeters in thickness, and we're at 27.2 right this second, so we're just taking a slight cut off of it. First pass was very non-eventful. But smooth as can be. Let's see what kind of depth we're working with here. Okay, so I just basically got to knock another tenth of a millimeter here. This dimension is not critical on this one, so if I'm a little thick or thin, it really won't matter. And here we go. Love to hear these things run. Makes its own music. second pass. Clean up on the end of this. Oh, man, you can't even feel a ripple in that. Let's see if we get a measurement here. Yep, 270. So I'm right at 27 millimeters on this. So I hit the first target dimension. I wasn't even really trying. But yeah, this is Ertalyte. That's the AMCO 7-inch shaper.